Look at this. Be honest. This looks hand-drawn, right? Thick lines, clean spaces, natural stroke edges. It doesn't look overly digital. It doesn't look stiff. It looks like someone actually sat down and drew it. But here's the crazy part. I didn't draw this and neither did a human. AI literally created this, and today I'm going to be testing whether AI can create an entire bold and easy coloring book that actually passes as hand-drawn, not just one lucky image, an actual book. Now here's why this matters. If you look at some of the best-selling bold and easy coloring book on Amazon, you notice something. The lines are bold but slightly imperfect. They feel organic, natural, and that is important because when coloring pages look too digital, too clean, too perfect, people can actually feel it. So the real question is, can AI create that subtle hand-drawn energy? So alright, I'm starting simple, bold lines, minimal details, kid-friendly, but with that slightly imperfect feel. I'm deciding to use 8.5 by 8.5 in terms of the page dimension. And for the title of the coloring book, I'll be going with Cozy Summer. Now, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to give me some of these summer kind of images or scenes. So I've prompted ChatGPT right here, and ChatGPT has gone ahead to give me 12 bold and easy summer themed scenes. You can see cozy picnic setup, beach day essential flap lay, and the like. So that's aside. And I went to download some of these images because I really need the prompt to be really, really precise. So I downloaded some of those images, I put it in ChatGPT, and I asked ChatGPT to study this image, understand how these images are hand-drawn, have some imperfections, a bit wobbly, and use that same understanding, that same pattern to craft out coloring image prompts for the coloring pages that I'm going to create on Cozy Summer. By the way, if you want me to share the prompts, the exact prompts I gave into ChatGPT, then you want to comment the word prompt in the comment section. If I get enough comments on that, I'm going to share the exact prompt I gave into ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT has gone ahead to first of all understand those images I give it and to create the exact prompt style that will try to replicate those image patterns that make it feel hand-drawn. So I'm starting with the first one, and I'm going to copy it and head over into the AI tool where I'm going to be creating the coloring page. I'm not going to add any extra, just this clear direction. It does have difficulty level, meaning you can choose whether you want it way less complicated or have some extra complication to it. And because I'm dealing with bold and easy coloring book, I'm going to go with the children because it has just mid complication. I'll set the dimension as square because I'm using 8.5 by 8.5 page dimension, which is essentially a square. And I'm going to generate just one batch, and I'm going to click generate now. Hold on. These lines actually look textured. I mean, they're not perfectly mechanical. You can see in terms of the hat here. You can see in terms of the rug here. You can see some little bit of imperfections in the lines. And that is really interesting because most AI tools I have tested make lines way too clean, no matter the extent of prompting you give it. And I love how there is simplicity in the images, which actually highlights the essence of the bold and easy style. But this is just one image and it doesn't mean anything. I want to go ahead and test the consistency because I want to create for a full coloring book. So I'm going to ChatGPT again, and I'm going to copy the second one and paste it here. I'll leave all of the settings the same. Of course, one batch, private, high print quality, remove watermark, and I'm going to generate. Wow, this is actually impressive. One thing I really like is how bold the outlines are, and it doesn't look overly digital. You can see the lines in the mufflers kind of a bit wobbly. I did honestly expect to tweak this a whole lot more before getting something worthy of using, but even with just creation of one batch, it literally understands the assignment. And that's the part that sells it. Though I would have loved for it to be a bit more hand-drawn imperfection, but let's see if we can get that in the next image. I added the next prompt to this AI tool. Yes, I will show you exactly what this tool is, but let us see if it can handle this next image. So I've put in the next prompt as I got from ChatGPT, and every other thing still intact. And I'm going to click on generate. Oh, wow. This is actually interesting. And what is fascinating is that all of these are being done on the first generation. Generating one good page is actually easy for quite a number of AI tools. Generating 10 cohesive pages, that is where most AI tools fall apart. So now I'm going to go ahead and keep generating. Okay, this is where I'm genuinely surprised. They actually look like they belong in the same book. So this is a bold and easy coloring book that's selling well on Amazon. You can notice the thick lines, you notice the curves. So the left side is the hand-drawn bestseller and the right side is AI. The weight is there, the simplicity is there, the balance is there, and this was generated in minutes. Now, I've tested a lot of AI tools. Most of them either make lines too thin or they make the lines inconsistent. Sometimes it's thin, sometimes it's thick. Some of them overcomplicate the design because they have no way of controlling the level of complication. And some of those AI tools make everything look too digital, like it screams 100% AI, but this one actually understands bold and easy. The AI tool I used for this is Coloring Book AI, and I didn't expect it to handle all the line work, but it did extremely well in terms of delivering what we give it. Now, the thing about this tool is that it does have some free coloring pages where you can just go there and pick some of them that you want. But in terms of some of the features it offers, for example, the prompting to coloring page, as the text to coloring page, honestly, I wouldn't expect it to be free because generating consistent print ready line art like this is serious output. So the tool does have a few pricing tiers. There's a starter plan which is $9.99 per month, which is great if you are just testing out. There's also the hobby, the professional, and the business on their different price range. But if you actually want to create full coloring books consistently, I would personally recommend the professional plan because that is where you unlock higher generation limits. You get more flexibility and enough volume to build entire books without hitting any wall. Think about it like this. One custom hand-drawn illustration could cost about $10 to $30 per page if you're hiring like a freelancer, and a full 30-page book, that adds up fast. So if you do the maths, a full 30-page book at $10 per page will be $300 just to create a coloring book. But this lets you experiment, iterate, and build at scale. And you're not just using it for one book. You can test different themes, different styles, different niches, all from the same dashboard. I've left the link in the description below, so you want to click the link there to go ahead and check it out. And another interesting thing is they also have top-up plans. So should in case you somehow exhausted all of the credits you get from the professional plan or any plan at all, you can actually purchase a top-up plan. But do know that you can only top up while you are subscribed to a plan. They also have the yearly plan. They have a 30% discount off, which is actually good if you want to actually save some money while investing in this. So if you're looking to actually do this at a scale for a lengthy period of time, then I would advise you go for the professional and take advantage of the yearly discount. It also has a unique feature where you can generate a coloring book with just one prompt. And I'm going to show you how that works. So you want to click the video you see on your screen right now to check out the tutorial on that.